Hey you guys, so today I'm going to show you how I did my jigsaw makeup. So keep on watching. So first I'm going to start off using the Fantasy FX makeup in white, and I also have in black. I only paid $3. So first I'm going to start off painting my neck. After I started applying this makeup, I realized that I should have started with a white powdered foundation, because since my skin is brown, I had to do this makeup multiple times. So I did a lot of layering to get the effect for the jigsaw. So when you first apply it, it looked pretty thick, but once it dried, you could still see my skin tone a little bit. So next I am working on my face. So now I am drying my face with the dryer just to speed up the drying process. And as you can tell, I also painted a little on my ears too, just in case my ears would show once my hair is down. I just want it to be white from ear to ear. And then also I painted my lips as well. So now I'm going to start with the chin. I am using my black eyeliner pencil to make the shape of the mouth, and I want to do a little dimple to it too. And I'm using my sponge just to help, blend it in as much as possible and create a shadow effect. Next, I am going to start with my brow. And then I noticed that my paint has not dried up there, but I still gotta brush. So I'm going down on my nose, trying to contour it. Hopefully when I get back up there, it will be somewhat dry. And I'm going to try to blend that in as much as possible. Sorry guys, this is the part that I forgot to hit record. I want to contour my face from the top of my ear to my nose. I would just want to give the illusion that my cheeks are coming out of my face just like Jigsaw. And I'm blending with pencil and also crayon and blending. As you can tell, I did my eyebrows, they finally dried. Now I'm doing the circles around my cheeks. I am using lipstick, and then as you can tell, I added lipstick to my lips on top of the white. I just want to pop a little bit more. That's why I painted my lips white first. So I definitely want to blend a little bit more around my cheeks, give the illusion that my cheeks are popping, adding a little bit more pencil and crayon, and then cleaning it up with my paintbrush. Just want to clean it up, make that good illusion. So now it's time for my eyes. I'm using crayon, my eyeliner pencil, and then also black paint to do the dark eye makeup, just like Jigsaw. time to let down the hair. I did have a wig, so I'm just using my hair. Add a little bit more paint to the top. And if I had a wig, then my scalp wouldn't show but well. And I'm also wanting to contour my forehead a little just to give it some shape. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed my makeup tutorial for Jigsaw. Hope you have a happy Halloween. Bye you guys. See you next time.